Hi everyone, welcome to the blog. Today we are talking about the basic water rescue techniques that anyone can do, even the non-swimmers, to help save a life safely. Always remember your safety comes first. The first method is talk. If someone is struggle in the water but is still conscious, stay on land and shout instructions. Tell them to kick, float, and grab into something. Clear and calm communication can help prevent panic. Next is reach. Do not jump in. Instead, use a stick, towel, paddle, or even your hand while lying in the flat or the ground. To avoid being pulled in, let the victim grab it and carefully pull them to safety. Third, we have throw. If you have a lifeboat, rope, empty gallon, or any floating object, throw it towards the person. Make sure they can grab into it, then slowly pull them in if there are ropes to touch. And lastly, row. If there is a boat or floating device, use it to get closer without entering the water directly. Approach carefully, let the victim hold on, and row them back to shore. Remember, talk, reach, throw, row. These techniques keep you safe while helping others. Never attempt a direct rescue unless you're trained.